Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make the crochet teacup coasters. You can use this coaster in your applique. You can make the little bit small size and you put it in your Afghan blanket, baby blanket, etc. In this pattern I am using 3 color of cotton thread specially used in crochet work. And one 2.25 mm crochet hook and one curved scissor, 3 color of cotton threads as per your choice. Let us start. First I am making the cup. Make 12 chains. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. This is the foundation chain. And make 1, 2 more chain, found a J, first double crochet, go to the third chain and make 1 double crochet. You make 1 double crochet in the every 12 stitches. First one complete, then 1 chain in the last. Here I am making 1 DC in the last stitch and then 1 chain and turn your work and go to the next stitch and make 1 single crochet. You make 1 single crochet in every stitch. Then second round complete and then 3 chain and turn your work and go to the, this is the very first stitch, go to the next and make 1, 2 double crochet and then go to the next, make 1 double crochet. You make 1 double crochet in the every stitch except last one. You increase your stitches in this round and then this is the last 2 stitches. Here you increase your stitches. 2 DC in the same stitch, and then this is the last stitch. Here you make only 1 double crochet. Then 1 chain, turn your work. You do not increase any stitches in this round. You make only 1 single crochet in the every single stitch. I have completed my 4th round, and then here you make 3 chain and turn my work, and then you go to the, this is the very first stitch, go to the second stitch. Here you make 2 double crochet in the same stitch, then 1 double crochet, the next stitches, left the last 2 stitches, you repeat same stitch at least 4 to 5 rounds, and this is the last stitch, second last stitch. Here you increase your stitches, and then this is the last stitch. Sorry, here you make 1 DC. This is the last 2 stitches. Here you increase your stitches, 2 DC, then the last stitch. Here you make only 1 DC, and then 1 chain, turn your work and make 1 single crochet in the every stitches. I have completed my 4th row of the same pattern. First row is 1 single crochet in the every stitch. The next row 1 DC in the very first stitch. In the next is 2 DC, and then 1 DC in the every stitch. Left the last 2 stitches. Here you make, this is the second last stitch. Here you increase your stitches, and then 1 DC in the last stitch, and then you make 1 single crochet in the every stitch. You repeat 4 times or 5 times in the same pattern, and this is the last. Here I am making the single crochet round. Here you make the teacup handle, so you take 15 chains, and then you go to the skip the three DC and 3 single crochet pattern, and you go to the last. Here you join it with slip stitch or single crochet. This is the bottom part of the cup cozy. Here you make 1 chain and turn your work and make 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then you make 1 double crochet in the next 10 stitches. Then last 3 stitches here you make only single crochet and here you join it with slip stitch and cut your extra yarn. I have completed the handle of the cup and then here I have attached the brown, or you can attach the dark brown color thread in the top part of the cup. Here you join it with slip stitch and make one single crochet in the every stitch. You repeat it. Here I have made 2 lines of the single crochet. And then this is the last round of the coasters. So you attach your white color yarn, you join it in. This is the first stitch of this pattern. Here you join it with slip stitch and you skip the very first stitch and go to the second or next and make 5 double crochet in the same stitch. Three, 4 and one more 5, and then you skip the next stitch and go to the second stitch. Here you make one single crochet and then you repeat, then skip the next one, go to the next and make 5 crochet. You repeat same pattern, same stitch in this last round. And here this is the last stitch. Here you make one slip stitch or single crochet and cut your extra yarn, and here you finishing your project. And your tea cup coasters is ready. This is very unique pattern and you can try it easily. You can make a big size or a small size as per your choice. And please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.